Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create a passkey on WhatsApp. So if you want to create a unique passkey for your WhatsApp application, so that you can easily log into your WhatsApp securely on any device using your passkey, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to create a passkey on WhatsApp, all you need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Click on settings at the bottom right. On Android, you want to click on the three dots at top right and then select settings. So once on your WhatsApp settings page, scroll down, locate and click on account. Now under account, go ahead and click on passkeys. Then it should say login securely and protect your account. So these are all the features of the passkey. Create a passkey for a secure, easy way to log into your account. Log in into WhatsApp with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And your passkey is stored safely in your iCloud keychain. So go ahead and click on continue. Then spot that says use Face ID to sign in, tap continue, confirm your Face ID. Then once you confirm your Face ID, you should say passkey created. This will be used to verify your account. So that is your passkey. And now each time you want to access your passkey on your iPhone or Android, just go ahead and open your password manager. So here, let me go ahead and open my iPhone password manager. So just click on that, click on passwords, unlock your password, then come to passkey. Then you should see your WhatsApp passkey. You see that? So this is your passkey. And then you're good. So that is basically how to create a passkey on WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.